Yes, good morning everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today is 14th of February. So I'd like us to start off our analysis with the chart on my screen. We will be starting off with the GBP USD. We still have our lines as we drew them yesterday. We had a very good resistance trend line here. We had a very good supportive trend line here. So as we mentioned yesterday, we actually expect that the price may likely pull back up to this point, where we'll be looking for a buy position, expecting that the buyers will push us back to the upper side, at least up to this point here. So as it is right now, it may seem that the price is going upwards, but we cannot rule out the fact that the price may still come back down up to this point. So as it is now, we keep looking for buy positions, expecting that the buyers will push us to the upper side, at least up to this point here. The next chart is Brent oil. Brent oil, we have a very good resistance. We have a very good resistance. We have a support, and we have a support here. As it is right now, we expect that the buyers will push price upwards towards this trend line here. In case the price ascends and closes above it, then we will be expecting that the buyers will push us upwards, at least up to this point here. So the idea on this chart is to keep looking for buy orders. In case the price ascends above this line, we expect that the buyers will push us to the upper side, at least up to this point here. The other side is if the price fails to break and close above this line, then this may as well be a very good place to look for a sell from. We will be expecting that the sellers will push price downwards, at least up to this point here. So I hope that makes sense. The other chart which I want us to have a look at, the natural gas. As I said yesterday, this chart is then a sell. We still have a very good downtrend. If you check the forwards, you can see that the price is still bearish. There are no signs for a buy on this chart. So technically, we want to see a clear breakout below this support. This looks like a very good support from last week. If the price descends and closes below this level, that will be a very good sign that the price will likely continue to the lower side. So should the price break and close below it, it will be a good sign that we are now going to continue to the lower side. And my other chart is the SP500. This is a buy. You remember yesterday we had a good resistance. This was some few weeks ago. Then the price broke above it. It came back, used the same level as a support, and as a support here. So as it is right now, we do expect that the buyers will continue to push price upwards up to this target here. If this is broken, then we will expect that the price is going to continue much higher. The next chart is Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin so far, the price attempted to continue downwards during the previous day, but it didn't go down as such. So as it is now, we are either waiting for a sell along this trend line, or we're waiting for a sell along this line here. So if you're on this chart, wait for a sell here, or wait for a sell when the price touches this level here. So you either sell it there, have your stop loss above this line, expecting that the sellers will push price downwards up to this target here. So wait for a sell here or along this trend line here. In case the price breaks below this level, that will still be a good place to look for a sell from. We are expecting that the sellers will push us downwards with the target fixed at this price here. My next set is this is Euro USD. So with the Euro USD so far, we are looking at this level. We have a support, there is a break below, we have a resistance. If the price continues upwards and touches these two lines, this is going to be a good place to look for a sell from. So as it is right now, we do have a very good resistance here. If the price can come back up to it, then that is going to be the best place to look for a sell from. We do expect the sellers to push us downwards, ultimately up to this point here. This is 1.05039. So should the price pull back to this point, this is going to be the best place to look for a sell from, towards this level. The next target is this one here. My last chart for the day is the US dollar Japanese yen. So this is a buy. We have a very good support here where we took the buy from. We had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance. There's a break above, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support. So as it is right now, we are having a very good resistance. We expect that the buyers will push us upwards. So this is a good place to look for a buy from. We do expect that the buyers will push price upwards up to this target here. If this is broken, we expect that the price will continue much higher up to the next target, which is this one here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. I will meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.